effect how it appear on the screen, but that's pretty obvious. Yeah, that was pretty obvious. I know. That was kind of stupid to say. Okay, step 7. You can add images to your website by using the IMG element. Okay, IMG elements have an opening tag without a closing tag. A tag for element without a closing tag is known as a self-closing tag. Add IMG elements below the P element at this point. No image will show up in the browser. Okay, because you're not going to have anything. But this is when shit gets keep cussing. This is when stuff gets really cool. For those of you who's sensitive to cuss words, this is when stuff gets really cool and you add images and stuff. And I goofed. Okay, your images should have a closing tag. Closing tag is after the character. It's a self-closing tag. So I goofed. Self-closing tag. Totally forgot for a second. Don't make that mistake. Okay, next, step 8. And I'm going to show my mistakes because we all do it as coders. Senior coders, junior coders, whatever level you are, you're going to make mistakes, even as simple as those. The best part is to learn from them and, probably laugh at me along the way. But we're going to get through this. HTML attributes are special words used inside the opening tag of an element to control the element's behavior. The SRC attribute in the IMG element specifies the image URL where the image is located. An example of an image IMG element using a SRC attribute is, as you can see below. This is what it's going to look like. Inside the existing IMG element and a SRC attribute with the URL, as you can see below. So we're going to make this kind of quick because we're going towards the end of our video here. Don't want these videos to be too long. Just want to get to the point. Help guys and gals, or whatever gender you are, if you're non-binary or whatever you are. I can't really tell who you are by this commentary of this video, but for everyone out there who needs help with this shit, I shouldn't be typing this out. I should have just freaking copied and paste. But oh my. .jpg. Boom. And as you can see, they don't need closing tags, so you can just press click code, and that is it. H1's always wonderful with quotation marks. That's why I forgot. Another mistake that I forgot. I make them too all the time. Okay, we got a little image here, looking nice and neat. Probably gonna do 2 more steps, and we call it a day for now. Step 9. All IMG elements should have a ALT attribute. The ALT attribute text is used for screen readers to improve accessibility and display if the image fails to load. For example, IMG SRC equals, excuse me, jeez, what's that? Equals cat.jpg ALT ACAT. Just a little example as a alt attribute with the text a cat. Inside the IMG element, add the alt attribute with this text. Okay, and that's pretty self-explanatory, but always make sure to put quotes on your values, or you're going to do the mistake I just did. Don't want to do that. We're here to learn, not to pedal backwards. Boom. Next one. Last one for the day. Let's get this out of the way. You can link to another page with the anchor A element, for example. Da 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 da. Add an anchor after the paragraph that links to HT to this link, FreeCodeCamp. At this point, the link won't show up in the preview. So, okay. I don't know if it was this step or it was step 15 that I had trouble with myself. And that's why I created this YouTube channel, because I looked to the forum page, because what you do is what they want you to do is go to the forum page. They don't really have tutorials on this, I don't think. But I went to the forum page and tried to get, I'm typing the wrong shit. Okay, there we go. Went to the forum page, and they don't have necessarily good explanations. It's all kind of weird trickery, wording and stuff, and it just get complicated. Like, this is meant to be as simple and as straightforward as possible. So if any of y'all was lost by that, basically just do exactly what I type. Close opening tag, type what they want you to type inside that opening tag, then you put a closing tag, as you can see here. Now let's go to the next challenge. I know I said that was going to be it. I'm having so much fun right now, guys. I know y'all are having fun. Okay, last one here. A link text must be placed between the opening and closing tags of an anchor element. For example, da 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 is a link with the text. Click here to go to FreeCodeCamp. Okay. Add. Okay. Add the text link to picture to anchor the element. This will become the links text. So right here in the middle, just type this exactly as they want it. And yeah, that's exactly it. Just want to make sure everything is right before you go in. It's always good to double check your code. You're gonna make mistakes. I already did this and I was making the same freaking mistake. So obviously there's some shit I'm missing. So double checked it. It's right. Probably gonna end the video there. Don't want these videos to be too long. For the hard ones, like for this one right here, which really wasn't hard, but some of you might find it a little bit difficult. You know, you won't find it difficult for long. Just keep going, keep coding. Uh, yeah. So again, this whole YouTube channel is to help guys and gals and non-binaries or whoever you are with coding in general. Expect more tutorials every Friday, and hope you find this video interesting. Like and subscribe for me. Support the channel, and commence on this journey with me. And we're gonna be coding a lot of stuff on the internet. We're gonna have a big footprint. We're gonna be an army of coders. But then again, that's it. Thank you for tuning in. Julian out.